roleplay, The Mystery of Missing Lunch demonstrate how logic helps solve problems. So Detective Relay uses inductive reasoning to conclude that missing food is usually eaten and analogy reasoning to compare the situation to a dog hiding a bone. So close, like a plate with processing near Jimmy, lead to a confession. So the story highlights how reasoning helps in real-life problem solving.
Analogy reasoning and inductive reasoning are two critical thinking processes used in problem solving and decision making. Analogy reasoning is a method of reasoning where two different concepts are compared based on similarities in their structures or relationships. For example, a battery is to a flashlight as food is to a human. This shows how both provide energy to function.
So, what is inductive reasoning? Inductive reasoning is a logical process where conclusions are drawn from a specific observation, forming a general principles or theories. It moves from a specific instances to a broader generalization, making it useful in science, research, and everyday decision making.
My food is gone! I left it on the table! Now it's missing!
Hey, what seems to be the problem?
My lunch is missing!
Don't worry, Irene. We will use logic to solve the case. First, let us use inductive reasoning. Tell me, what do you know about your lunch disappearing?
Well, every time food goes missing, it's because someone's eating it.
That's inductive reasoning. You observed past events and made a general conclusion. Now, who was here today?
I saw Kyla. That doesn't mean I eat it.
True. Let's use analogy reasoning. If a dog finds a bone and buries it, a person who takes the lunch might...
Oh, so hide it or eat it.
Exactly. Let's check for crumbs or a plate.
The key surprises me kind of seeds. Okay, I eat your lunch. Happy? Next time, just ask.
Case closed. We solve it using inductive reasoning. From past experience and analogy reasoning, comparing with similar situations. I'll better get going.
The mystery of the missing lunchbox demonstrates on how logic helps to solve problems. Detective J uses a inductive reasoning to conclude that the missing food is usually eaten, and analogy reasoning to compare the situation to a dog hiding a bone. And there is a clue like a piece of rice on a table near Michaela that lead to a confession. So the story highlighted that how reasoning helps in real-life problem solving.
Using logic helps us solve mysteries and make smart decisions. Inductive reasoning helps us predict outcomes based on patterns, while analogy reasoning helps us compare similar cases to find a solution.